Look up. Look up is to search for information. This can be online, in a book, or in a database. Look up is extremely common in American English because we are constantly checking information. It means to search for something, usually using Google or the internet. It could be in a dictionary, a textbook, a database, or your phone. We use look up to find meanings of words, directions when we're traveling, addresses, facts, schedules, people, prices, translations, and in so many other ways. It's an essential phrasal verb for students, workers, travelers, and anyone who uses a phone. So basically everyone. You'll hear it all the time. I'll look it up. Did you look up the word? Let me look that up right now. Some examples are, you can look it up online. She looked up the meaning of the word. I need to look up the address before we leave. He looked up the price of the laptop. We looked up the times of the trains. Repeat after me. Look up. Look up. Look up. I'll look up the address. She looked it up yesterday.